Hello there, YouTubers. If you're a do-it-yourselfer and you got a Dodge Grand Caravan, this is a 2011. This should apply to up to 2020, maybe 2008 to 2020, something like that. But anyhow, I got a problem with the blower. Front blower's not working, or it was not working. It is now. So I'm going to show you my climate control here. If you got the same one. That's the automatic climate control, and the front blower stopped working, and I got it working, so I wanted to show you my workaround. I don't have any schematics, but I am an electronics technician, and I got some information off of some other YouTubers, and I didn't see this particular workaround, but I'm going to show you. Okay, under the hood, we have our TIPM, it's called, and I don't think it's real important what TIPM stands for, but you can Google it. But basically, you have a bunch of fuses and relays here, okay? And for the automatic climate control with rear heat and air conditioning, you have two relays, and one of them controls the front blower and one the rear. Now in this vehicle here, this one over here is your rear blower, and the relay that goes here is your front blower. And as you can see, I put a jumper wire in between the contacts for the front blower. Now the relay is not the problem, because I swapped relays. In fact, I tried all these relays in here, and none of them failed to actuate the front blower. So there's something other in the circuit that actuates this relay. If you know what a relay is, so you have a coil and you have a set of contacts. The coil makes contacts or breaks contacts. In this case, I believe it's a normally open relay, so when the coil gets energized, the relay contact's closed. So this is a workaround. This is not a fix, in that whatever sends the signal to the relay is not working. Now the blower motor did come on one time after it quit. I just kept pushing the buttons on the climate control, and finally it just started working, but then it stopped. So what I did is I put this jumper in here, and you can see where the contacts are. You have five contacts, but the relay only has 3 contacts. And if I take this relay out of here, this is a rear blower. You can see on the bottom here, okay, there's only 4 contacts. There's a 5th one which is not used. Okay, and that goes in here like this. If you look at it, the printing's upside down. So this contact is actually installed opposite of the center contact. So if you turn this right side up and go in like this, okay. But anyhow, installed this jumper. These are the 2 contacts. The relay has a little diagram on it here. Okay, and your contacts are 87 and 30. Okay, which are these 2 contacts here where I have the jumper. Okay. Now, if you make a jumper, you want to use a heavy gauge wire. What I did was I fabricated a connector by cutting this one in half, and this is, I think, a 1/4 inch push on with an extra tab on it. So I took the tab and bent it, and I cut it in half. Okay, and that goes right in here. Okay, and you want to make sure you got a good contact there. Okay, and that you have a heavy enough gauge wire, because this blower motor draws upwards of about 15 amps when it's running on high. On low, the lower speed is a lower amp draw. Okay, so that is my workaround for the front blower motor. Okay, and I'll put this back in here. I actually think these relays can go in either way. I'm not certain about that. But anyhow, I could have swore this one was in here with the printing facing the other way. But it actually works this way also. But anyhow, that's my workaround right there. Okay. Now if you look in your legend here, you can see over here that this is K. What is that? Zoom in here. K9. Okay. Now the fuse for the front blower relay, I believe, is J15. Where we at here? There's my finger right there. Okay. Anyhow, J15. Come up here. K9 front HVAC relay. Right there. Okay, and then wherever the J15 is there on the legend, as far as, let's say J15, there it is, right in the center of the screen. J15 40 amp front HVAC. You can check that relay by pulling that out. Okay, that is this one right here. Okay, it's right on your legend. Okay, and that powers the front blower through this conductor here. Okay, so the front blower works just fine. I'll show you. Let's see, where's my key at? I don't have my key. All right, hold on a second. Okay, we're back. We got the key. We turn the key to on. Okay. Radio's off. And turn this all the way up. And you can hear it. So, if I turn the rear on, the rear's already on. Go back to the front. Turn that down. And well, I have it set on auto, I think. Turn the rear up. And if you can hear it, the rear's blowing. And we can turn the rear off. 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 Rear's off. Oh, front's off too. This is the rear. Let's see, how do we do this? Rear. If I switch to rear and click off, okay, it says rear off. So it'll go back to the front. Fan's at low. Fan high. There you go. Alright, so that's a workaround for the front blower motor. Now, I am a technician by trade, electronics technician. I repair medical equipment. I'm going to see if I can find some more information as far as what powers or what energizes that front relay. But that jumper seems to have resolved the issue. I could probably leave it as is. But I'm kind of curious. I'd like to figure out why, what's causing that relay not to energize.